Okay, I'm going to start by putting a flat blade screwdriver in the little notch below the silver strip, and you have to push up and then pull out. Then pull the strip the rest of the way off. Then I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the handle to the door. Then pull the handle off. Then lift up on the switch panel. Disconnect all the cables. Here I'm using the plastic tool that came with the new switch to give me a hand with these cables. Now you're going to pry the metal tabs on one side of the switch to pop it out of place. Okay, next here's my new switch that I got from Amazon. I'm going to snap that in. And then reassemble everything the same way you took it apart. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.